So, new environment, ayaw nyo na sa office nyo dati, you don't like working sa former office nyo, you wanted a new environment in your life.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You already posted there as well, like that. So, yeah. All right. Again, so yeah, so for today's topic, if this is how to become a virtual assistant. Okay. Okay. So the purpose of this training, so preparedness, experience, skills, and confidence. So bakit lahat itong four? All right. So preparedness. So what does it mean? So it's the state of being ready for something. So for career shifters, of course, we have. I think we all have work experience naman, correct? Everyone, at least, 'di ba? You already have work experience. So some of you just want to, shift your career. So we have newbies as well. Newbies meaning they just graduated from college, So or they did not have any experience pa working. So yeah. So okay. So new environment, ayaw nyo na sa office nyo dati. You don't like working sa former office nyo. You wanted a new environment in your life. So so it's just like the career shifters as well. So yeah, different setup again. So you don't want nasa company locally, gusto niyo na work from home. Of course, being a virtual assistant, the only perks na pinakamaganda sa pagiging virtual assistant is working from home. Work from home, okay? So, kailangan nyo rin mag-prepare sa different time zones. Different time zones means, of course, we have Eastern Time, Central Time. Of course, yung sa atin is Philippine Time. So, we have Mountain Time. We have a lot of time zones na meron. So, you have to search for the time zones, guys. Best friend is Google. So, be resourceful lang. Tingnan niyo yung mga time zones, so yung time difference na sa atin. So, ang pinakamadali is Eastern Time. Why Eastern Time? If it's 8 p.m. Manila time, that would be 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So, Eastern Time is the best. Okay? One moment. So yeah, skills. So yeah, so what do you mean by skills? Skills is the ability to do something or yung expertise, okay? What are the soft skills and what are the hard skills? So yan, differentiate kasi minsan nilalagay lang natin to sa resume natin. 'Di ba? Lagay tayo ng lagay kasi kinakopy lang natin 'yun sa mga resume ng iba o kaya sa mga ready sa mga Google. So soft skills, guys, yung customer service, communication skills, strong leadership, quick learner, good work ethics. So, what else can you see on your resume? So, soft skills ang tawag doon. Okay? So, ang hard skills is kung ano yung talagang kaya nyong gawin. So, literally, what can you do? Alright? So, that doesn't mean that you don't have any experience being a virtual assistant. Hindi kayo computer literate. You don't know social media management. You don't know graphic design. Diba? You don't know website editing. So you don't know data entry. So when I talk about data entry, that's spreadsheets like that. So or simple Google Docs. O sa kinalakihan natin, sa alam natin palagi is yung Microsoft. So those are the hard skills. Okay?